When I was a younger periodontist and patients would ask me, what is a dental implant? I would get all like frazzled, and I would start to break it down. It's like, well, you know, a dental implant is a titanium screw. It goes into your jawbone, and then this thing called an abutment gets connected to that titanium screw. And then on top of that, you're gonna get a lab processed crown that's gonna get screwed into that, and then you're gonna have a tooth. And then I would say, wow, that's horrible. What a horrible description. I don't even want a dental implant. So then I started explaining implants in a different way. People would ask me, what is a dental implant? And my default response is, a dental implant is the most natural way to replace a missing tooth, period. And that's what it is. Why? Well, because number one, you're not touching the adjacent teeth. You're not grinding down adjacent teeth to basically get a 3-unit bridge cemented on there where food might get stuck, and over time the bone starts to shrink, and then maybe you'll need an implant or two anyway. So yeah, it sounds nicer. It rolls off the tip of the tongue a lot prettier. A dental implant is the most natural way to replace a missing tooth.